going? Thank you for watching. Elise makes a bunch of videos, so today, this morning, I'm just going to do a bit of an update video. If you watched All My Worldly Possessions, similarly named video, from a few days ago, I started going through all my bags. So this is what's happening right there. I started packing. Those two bags are just for the weekend when I'll be staying at my friend's backyard cabin for 2 nights, and then after that will be a 3-night road trip. So I'm trying to pack things for that, and then I will start going through all my papers. So I went through and got rid of a bunch of mail and stuff. Now I just have my taxes there, papers, a few scuba things that I need to go through, paperwork that most of it I threw out, but some of it I sort of need to keep, but I don't need to necessarily bring with me. And then all of my medications and toiletry stuff, which is, now it's just exploded everywhere all over the floor, but it's good. I got rid of a bunch of things. And then all my electronics things over there. Nothing really very exciting, super old, a lot of things I don't use, a camera that I've pretty much never used, and this like MP3 player that's, swear to God, it's like 12 years old. It's actually really good. The only thing, it's battery powered, and if you don't have a laptop, you can't update it with anything. So yeah, then all my clothes, haven't really done anything with the clothes. This bin has a little bit of random cash in there, some euros that I still have for whatever reason, and I think some Indonesian dollars. I can't remember what they're called. So I'm gonna bring those with me. This is my bring with bin. So far it has a first aid kit, my bag, and some cash. So throw my passport in there, we've got the essentials. And then that empty black thing is gonna be all the stuff that I'm gonna keep but not bring with me on the big trip, not the road trip. But the road trip stuff I'm gonna have to deal with tonight, and then I'll probably pack away a bunch of all this. So I just want to do this video before I did that. And hopefully by tonight it'll more or less be kind of sorted. Yee! Good times. Well, anyways, I'm sure you feel better now that you're informed about all my worldly possessions, because I just left you hanging there. But yeah, sort your shit out, people. So much shit.